welcome. Today guys, I'm going to share with you all a really delicious brownie recipe, and it has hidden vegetables in this, which is really good for the kids. So to start the brownie recipe, I'm going to start by mixing my wet ingredients in this bowl. So to my bowl, I'm going to go in with some oil. You're going to use a light flavorless oil, or you can use butter. I'm going in with some mixed essence or vanilla essence, 1 egg, and we're just going to whisk to combine. Once whisked in, you want to set this aside. In another bowl, I'm going to go in with some flour, cocoa powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, baking soda, some salt, and sugar. I'm using white. If you wanted to use brown sugar, you can. I'm also going to add in some chocolate chips. These will melt when it's baking, and it will make it really ooey and gooey. So you're just gonna incorporate those dry ingredients. Next, create a well in the center and add in your wet ingredients. And you're going to mix to incorporate. Once it starts to come together, you're going to add in the zucchini. Yes, zucchini. If you guys wanted to use carrots or maybe cucumber for this, you can try that. I'm just gonna mix this. Now I didn't drain the water out from the zucchini, I left it. Once you've mixed in your brownie mixture, you're going to place it into your greased cake pan, and you're going to spread this out. Next, this goes into your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. So guys, the brownie just came out of the oven. I'm going to allow it to cool. I'm going to make a chocolate glaze to go over this. Once it's cool, then we'll apply the glaze. Okay guys, now to make the chocolate ganache that's going to go over this brownie. Here I have some semi-sweet, and I'm using these wafer chocolates. These are the ones that you use so that it melts. And I have a tablespoon of butter in there. To this, I'm going to go in with some hot heavy cream. And I'm just going to allow it to sit there for a couple of minutes. Next, you just want to mix this. Once the chocolate has been dissolved, we're going to pour this over our brownies. I'm just going to drizzle this over the brownie. Next, you're going to leave this to cool down. We want that chocolate to firm up a little bit before we can cut into this. So guys, this chocolate ganache on the brownie has set, and what I'm going to do is cut into it so you guys can see what it looks like. You can't even tell that there is a vegetable in this. You can't even see the zucchini, so you are really going to be tricking the kids. And you see that beautiful ganache that it has on top. It's not a hard ganache, and it's not super runny. It's just perfect. And it's very moist on the inside. Wow guys, this brownie is super moist and super delicious. It's really out of this world, and I can't wait for you all to try this. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!